Hey beautiful people, welcome back again. Still your girl Bianca Belita Girls TV. Good morning. Depends of the time you are watching me from. And I'm gonna be using my Dior primer, and this Dior primer is very nice. This is what I use on my video, the video that I did on Facebook that was putting on dark purple gown. Okay, let me pop the picture in so that you guys can see the gown, the makeup and everything. The hair tutorial will be coming up. In case the makeup comes first before the hair, just enjoy it. Okay, so now I'm gonna brush my eyebrow. Sorry guys, Serena is there checking my tripod. It was not easy. It get to a time I was even crying. So right now I've did my eyebrow off camera. I don't want the video too much, so I'm gonna use this dark nude. It is a little bit dark or brownish nude. To first of all use it to set the concealer that I have on my eyebrow. The concealer, it was also Dior. Remember, everything that I'm going to be using is just Dior when it concerns the foundation, concealer, and yeah. So I'm going for this darker shade, a little bit dark nude, okay, or tan. So that is what I'm using right now. Okay, tan is more lighter, so this is beige. Okay, so the next color to go for just this color, and the thing was not showing the way it's supposed to be. It just light maroon, not the darker one, because I will go for the darker one later. You can see how it is. Okay, it's just a dark nude, just like the top that I'm putting on, but a little bit orange inside. Okay, any color you have you can use it, but follow just this step of this makeup, you will get it. Keep washing. Hey guys, this very thing is primer, and the other one also is primer and foundation, light one, but I'm gonna use it as just like a primer. Okay, I'm gonna use it to prime my face. It's from Dior. Remember the primer, foundation, and the eye primer also, everything is from Dior. Okay, this is it. This is it. So guys, this very one is Eyelashes primer. In case you love your natural eyes to belong, you can use this very one. Okay guys, so I'm using this one to prime my eyes, my eyelashes, natural lashes, before we go for the fake lashes. Okay, keep watching and please don't forget to subscribe.